All right, so it's 11 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday, and instead of me being in somebody's office, punching somebody's clock, I'm out here with this little princess you can see running back there. And a while back, I used to work for other people. I worked whatever job I could to make whatever money I could for my family, but at the same time neglecting my family. So I missed out at a lot of experiences that I could have had with my older kids because I was working for somebody else, doing what they told me to do, when they told me to do it, for however long they told me to do it for, and for however much money they said my time was worth. But now, I run these multiple businesses successfully. I can be out here making money at the same time while I'm spending time, while I'm sharing experiences with my babies. And I want this for you too. I know everybody's not interested in just making a whole bunch of money. You also want to spend time with your family, but you got bills to pay, so I understand that completely. And I don't want you to be in the same boat that I was in when I was working for other people, doing what they told me to do. So if you're interested in starting your first business, or you're interested in starting your second business, or growing a business, what I need you to do is comment the words first business below. If you comment the words first business below, I'm gonna give you access to my course where I teach you how to run a successful business. I'm gonna show you how to get your first $100,000 in business. If you never made $100,000 before, that's because it's easier to build a six-figure business than it is to find a six-figure job. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Click the link below or comment the words first business, and I'll take care of you.